Hello everyone, welcome to the 30th live of Atrangi, the 30th episode of What's New Atrangi. And because it's the number 30, we had to make it extra special. तो आज मैं लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए लाला लैंड कलेक्शन, हमारा बेस्ट सेलिंग कलेक्शन के नए सेट्स. A lot of you have asked कि लाला लैंड में आपके पास नए पीसेस नहीं आते हैं, and we've always told you कि इनको रिक्रिएट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है और कारीगर को बहुत टाइम लगता है इन पीस को बनाने के लिए. But now we've got a fresh new collection, fresh new batch of amazing new concepts and new sets in this collection, and I just want to show you what I'm wearing also. It's a stunning piece with a combination of mint and pink. It comes with these earrings, and this one's only for 6950. It's beautiful. It looks very elegant on an Indo-Western outfit. मैं आपको और pieces इस collection से दिखाने वाली हूँ, so stay tuned with me. It's gonna be a quick 10-minute live. I'm gonna quickly browse through everything that we have today to show you, and I'm gonna quickly go piece by piece so you can get a feel and know-how of the products. So starting with this guy first. A lot of y'all have asked for pendant sets in this collection, and now we have them. The pendant set with the chain is for 4650, comes with these stunning earrings. We have two color combinations in them. Moving on, I have this one over here, which is a stunning piece. It's basically a long set with a necklace concept with a pendant style, and it comes with these earrings. You want to turn off the light? Maybe it's reflecting. So it comes with these three colors. If you see, there's a blue and a purple, there's a full purple, and there is a pink and purple. Yeah, this is much better, I think. And it looks super stunning and super attractive. And 7250. Meanwhile, we have this one over here. There's a crystal. I think we need the lights on. Sorry about the connection issue. Meanwhile, we have this crystal floral choker set coming with this long piece as well. You can wear them separately also, but we've just paired them together for the sake of showing it to you guys. This one's also quite reasonable. The price of this is 5850 for the choker with these studs, and the long piece is for around 12450 with earrings. It's a stunning one. Moving on, we have this piece as well. There's a purple choker. It comes with same 5850, comes with these earrings, and then I have this long piece here with a peacock. It's a beautiful embellished peacock, and this one is again at a very reasonable price. It is only for 9850. To the next piece we have here is in mint blue and purple. If you see the color combination, again very pretty. And the same thing, 5850 and 9850. Super affordable piece, super pretty. The studs are also outstanding. I also have this piece right here. It is a purple pink combination, comes with this piece as well. Both are separates, and this one is quite well priced, 50. Meanwhile, the choker is for 5850, comes with these two color combinations. Really pretty on a sari or something. If you wear it, looks pretty. And another color combination in this 5850 and 7250 is this. The lower piece is for 10,950, and the top piece is for 6950. Comes with these earrings, like you can see. Super wearable. This pretty floral rose gold set with an outward detailing of pearls comes with these earrings over here, and this one is quite reasonably priced as well. The detailing is beautiful. It's only for 6950 on offer. We also have this dainty one for people who are looking for dainty La La Land sets. It's in mint and purple, super wearable. It's only for 4650, guys. It's a super reasonable piece, and one of the cheapest piece in La La Land. Also looks super rich at the same time. We have this crystal purple diamond collection as well, and this chokers again for 6250, comes with these earrings. It's an antique polish, but the same concept as La La Land. Moving on, we have this bridal La La Land piece. It is with pastel mint and purple with hues of purple and mint. It looks really pretty in rose gold polish. For any Indo-Western sari or lehenga that you have, it's a stunning piece to have. It comes with these earrings, which are very light in weight, and the make of this piece is outstanding. It comes with these kharbuja beads on top, if you see. The fit feel is beautiful. Moving on, I'm going to show you this other piece as well in the same color and concept. In the same concept, sorry, a different color. It comes in pink and purple, and this one is for 10550. It's a very reasonable piece for the kind of size and price, size it has, and the look it has. It's quite heavy if you see, and looks very grand when you wear it. Moving on, I want to show you a quick few earrings in the collection for people who don't have any wedding coming up and just want to invest in good earrings which fit really well and sit really well. This one is for 2450. I have this one right here. It's a little heavy, but it is again for 4250. It also looks very grand and pretty. There's a certain camera issue over here, which is why I think the products are not very clear. But anything you like, please feel free to ask for more screenshots and pictures. I'm going to show you our Moni earring, which we just launched the other day in different colors. This one is for 4650. If you see, our website already has a colorful version of it which sells really well. And now we launched this in 2 different colors, only for 4650. Moving on, I have this one over here, also pretty attractive and grand if you look at it. And this one is for 4650 again. It's a super grand, attractive piece. I think the video is not doing justice to it. Also, I think this phone is not the best to take a live video in. Nonetheless, if you guys want more photos and videos, please feel free to contact our team. This is a pretty Chandbali, only for 2950. There is a purple, green and a blue in it. It looks very attractive and very smart. Moving on, I have these studs, which is an open peacock concept, only for 2250. They are very attractive. The color is very pretty. You can wear westerns and Indians as well. And this is only for 2250. Moving on, I have these earrings, which are mid-sized. They're going to be launched on our website soon as well. This is only for 3250. It looks very nice. The concept is very pretty. It's a very wearable size and you will definitely love it once you get it. I also have another few color combinations in this. There is a pink and mint and purple, and there is also this colorful rainbow color concept which looks very attractive, and this one's really light in weight also, so you'll enjoy wearing them. We have an antique and a rose gold version of this statement piece over here. It's only for 4850, but the look it gives you is super stunning. When you're not wearing anything in the neck, this is the kind of piece you should invest in. And we have this color also in this, which is very nice. I also have one more piece which is one of my favorites. It is this peacock piece. It's an inverted peacock concept. It looks really pretty. The diamond detailing on the pearl is outstanding, and look at the diamonds around it. It really shines well. It's only for 4250, guys. And in the same peacock concept, if you don't want a very heavy piece, then this one's a nice one. It's only for 3950. And again looks very nice, and we have 3 color combinations in it. We have a full pink, full purple and pink and purple. So depending on your outfit, you can take it, or something just you can invest and keep, because in contrast these will match with anything. There's also this stunner right here. It's a very statement piece again, something again you should wear when you're not wearing anything in the neck. It's only for 4250. It comes in a pastel pink and a purple and a full mint, and super attractive earring, oversized, very glamorous. And another mid-sized concept which we've tried to explore with Victorian jewelry, because a lot of outfits these days don't have gold. This is like this is green and purple in antique finish, and it looks quite attractive as well, guys. It's only for 2950. I also have another mid-sized earring in the rose gold polish, which is our best seller, which is for 2650. It comes in a green and purple again with pearls in the center. Has very, very tiny detailing of diamonds if you see around it. The finish at the back is outstanding. I also have these mid-sized earrings in 3 colors: purple, green purple and pink. Again, very wearable size, something you'll definitely love having. Only for 2950. Very wearable, guys. This is something you'll actually cherish and it will last you a lifetime. We also have one of our other favorite pieces. It is this Anguri concept peacock earring. If you see, it's an inverted peacock again, super pretty with the bead drop. It looks very attractive. It's only for 3250. A very different, unusual piece, something you definitely should own. I also have this one over here, which is for 2450, which is an elephant. Since peacocks do so well for us and elephants do well for us in Indian, we thought we'll try it in the La La Land concept as well, and I think the turnout is quite pretty, especially the gemstones over here. If you see, and the drops, they're quite attractive. Another peacock piece over here is this guy. It's in a peacock in the pearl in the center. There's a colorful peacock around it. This one's a hot seller combination of purple and pink, and the price is quite affordable. It's only for 3250, but it's a mid-sized piece. It's not really oversized, but if you want an oversized stud, this is the piece you should have. It is only for 2650. Looks very nice and fits very well, and it's a stunner by itself. I also have one more set which I have forgotten to show you. It's a crystal La La Land concept set, but it doesn't have the beadwork which our La La Land collection has, but has the same crystal concept. We've tried something new to bring up. Just gonna gauge the response on this. And this one is for 7850 with earrings. I'm also going to show you a few rings in the La La Land concept, since a lot of y'all ask us for rings. This one, if you see, is one piece that we have in mint. It can be customized in any color also if you guys want. I also have another piece here in purple. This is also quite attractive. You know, whenever the beads have too much color in the set, you should always go for a monotone. And if you want to go for an exact match, this one's quite pretty in purple and green. And these are at 2250 each. They look quite stunning if you're wearing it with one of our sets. I'm going to show you the next piece. This is one of my favorites. I have a lot of color combinations. This is a 3 floral concept. This is mint and purple. And I also have this multicolored concept in this. We'll also have a pink and we'll also have a purple solo in this. So please do ask us for more options. I'm going to show you one more ring over here, which is our open peacock ring. And that again would match with all the peacock earrings and the ring sets which you've got. These are the pieces. It's in a pink with purple, and it's a pink with mint and purple. Very attractive. All of these look very nice when you wear it. Please feel free to ask any questions which you have about this collection. Also happy to answer them and happy to help you guys. I'm going to show you a quick 2-3 bracelets as well. If you see, this is also a pretty ring, only for 1950. Looks very nice and fits really well, and also adjustable, so size will never be a problem. Meanwhile, I have this last ring as well, only for 2250. It's in a pink, it's in a pastel blue and a purple. Really attractive. Moving on, I have these bracelets. This is a sort of bridal bracelet, really heavy. It's with pink and purple as well. We can make this in multiple combinations if you guys like it, but this is our best seller, so we first made the sample piece in this color. And this one's for 4250. It's quite heavy and grand if you see. Very bridal and very statement making. I also have these 2 bracelets right here in different color combinations. There's a pastel pink and purple, and there's a pastel blue and purple, which is again super attractive, slightly heavy, looks very grand and quite wearable by themselves. It's for 3650 each. You can combine with this any La La Land set you've bought. You can combine and play with colors. So that's it for our La La Land collections. Thank you so much for sticking with us through the live. I'm going to quickly show you the set I am wearing again, so you get a basic idea of how it fits. It's very into Western and very pretty. And any feedback you guys have, any live you want us to do in the next weekend, please let us know. Happy to help you guys. And thank you so much for sticking us and joining us every Saturday. See you guys next week.